Almost everything, even if the powertrain is familiar. Sold in base, technology, A-Spec, and advanced models, the 2022 MDX features a new body structure, a new cab, and updated safety and infotainment technologies. The new MDX form elevates its former good looks to something higher wattage on the glam scale. The shape is tortuous, with a wide grille that leads to a bent fender and a slimmer look that belies its thicker weight. The cabin is brushed by wooden tape or metallic trim that adorns under the large center screen, surrounded by synthetic leather on the base car and genuine leather on all other models. The interior space extends in the first two rows. Up front, the driver and passenger have at least 12 direction adjustments in a well-supported bucket. Synthetic leather gets an upgrade to genuine leather on all of the above base models, and cooling and heating are available. The second row passengers have ample space and the middle seats can be removed to transform the 7-seat MDX into 6 seats with a minimal middle aisle to the third row. With the MDX 2022, Acura has reinvented its biggest vehicles such as the RDX SUV and the smaller TLX sedan. At first glance, the MDX's new style mimics some European SUVs, but evokes more of Acura's latest offering with a shield-shaped grille, sleek LED headlamps and sharp cutting lines that accentuate its soft round body. The larger proportions give the MDX a longer nose and allow a 3-inch stretch of the wheelbase to give it a muscular new shape that tapers at the rear and produces a sleek LED taillight. The 290 HP Acura V6 pairs with a 10-speed automatic on the new MDX, and gets out of traffic lights and over interstate lanes with authority. A twin-turbo Type S is in the works as well. Power is similar to the 2020 model, but the ride and handling have taken the quantum leap. The stiffer body even allows the MDX A-Spec to ride 20-inch wheels and still cope with big bumps with dexterous control. All MDXs will come with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, and traffic jam assistance. Crash test scores have historically been good, but NHTSA and IIHS have yet to complete their tests by the 2022 issue. $47,925 excluding $2,000 more for all-wheel drive on the base model. Each MDX has a panoramic sunroof, wireless smartphone charging, and a 12.3-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. High-end ELS audio, navigation, 20-inch wheels, leather upholstery, and a camera system with a surround display come in the top version. Inside, the MDX's sleek interior takes on a slimmer horizontal set, with a wide center screen perched above a switch and push button that activates climate and transmission controls, tied by open porous wood trim ribbons and contrast stitched leather on some versions. 12.3-inch adjustable digital display replaces analog meter.